Where are we about to eat?
Tiffins.
Tiffins.
I know.
This way.
Just wait over here. Hi. Brace yourself. What is this room?
Tiffins.
No, but what did she say about the decorations?
They went to Africa and then that's all their notes and stuff, and they gave it to an artist and then they made those pictures.
So this room is inspired by the Imagineer's travels to Africa. And this is Tiffins. Oop, that was my finger getting in the way.
See what's happening.
I don't feel adventurous.
Face to face with greatness and exchange.
This is what we're doing, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, it is.
Rivers of light.
Yes, it is what we are doing. Yes, I agree.
With pomegranate iced tea. It's very, very good. Eating over there, Dad.
Goat cheese.
Let's try it. Bessie's eating goat cheese for the first time.
Is it good?
I like it, yeah. Didn't they say one of those cheeses was aged in a barrel or something?
You can't just take about one.
Just take a bite. Just take a big bite, Bessie. Just take a bold, brave bite. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. What are you trying?
I love this stuff. The onion relish. The black-eyed pea hummus is okay. I know I'm not gonna like this because I don't like Greek yogurt. I'm not even gonna try it. However, this right here.
You like that?
Stuff.
The onion relish.
Maybe we'll put it on like a cracker.
It's good. On Rito, it's good. I haven't tried this bread. This bread is kind of interesting. I don't even know what it is.
Alright. Which cheese is the best?
Parmesan.
Which cheese is the worst?
Bad that I can't eat it.
No, just eat what you can eat.
What are you doing? Oh, I want to think that
She could not eat some of these cheeses. They were too strong. That blue cheese.
We'll figure it out.
Strong stuff.
6 or 7 out of 10.
This is really good. I just tried it.
I know. I already transferred some of it over. Or it's in the
To
process.
you guys. Here. So, chicken looks very good, as you can see.
Good. Good. Well, that was quick.
It's like, it doesn't look like it's seasoned, but it definitely is cooked with some salt in it. This is the chicken.
I've got Wagyu strip loin. Becky's got some pomegranate lacquered chicken.
Really, really, really
Sam's
good.
eating some pork belly ramen.
I really like it with the pop. It was laying in this stuff.
Yes.
And it's
perfect.
It's good with that. Because it also seasons it, because there's like some spices in here. It's really good.
I will.
Under your plate.
Alright.
It's really, really, really good. If you ever come to Tiffins, you should get this chicken.
What is that? What is that you're eating?
This is, I forget what it's called, pork belly ramen. There's some words before it that
It's the braised Berkshire
I can have my bag.
pork belly ramen.
We'll just do this. You have to cut it like pasta.
The parts that have the broth in it with the sauce are the best parts. There's not enough broth in it. So, I'd say 7 or 8 out of 10. Because I like the taste at the bottom, but then towards the top is more bland. It's good stuff.
Is it spicy?
It's only spicy if you eat around the edge, because they put the sauce on the edge.
Okay.
You can see there's a little bit of sauce in there.
When you get your fingers dirty, just to make it more fun, wipe it off like slime.
That's gross. That's what I'm eating. Wagyu strip loin. It's incredible. Yeah, isn't it amazing? Good stuff. Tiffins is great, ladies and gentlemen. How was it, ladies and gentlemen? Bethy's eating a
I like how you say
green onion.
was as if I am any...
Well, you're still working on yours. I think Sam was less fond of his than we were of ours.
No, I am fond of it. I don't think people understand that eating slowly.
You just want more
doesn't mean-
broth. You wanted more broth than yours.
Well, yeah, which makes it slower for me to eat because I have
That's
to
okay.
get it in the broth.
I understand.
And then also it's noodles, so I have to not, because I don't like going like.
Right, I dig. Mine was good. I'm still working on it. I've still got a few chunks.
I love onions.
And you like the brisket, right? There you go. And that's Tiffin.
It tastes like onion grass.
So we're gonna try this guava mousse here, even though I probably don't deserve it for that amount of ramen that I ate. That is really good. Holy crap, that is so good. It's so hard to explain. It's definitely guava flavored. It's very strongly guava. It's really sweet, but this little crust at the bottom really actually does balance it out. Weirdly. I wouldn't expect it to actually play into that much, but it does. It tastes really good. And there was a chocolate, I forget what she called it, a twill.
This.
It's so good.
This is like a chocolate chip.
Yeah, it's like an actual like chip. Like eating a potato. Really
Let's try the ice creams. We have meringue and strawberry, I think.
No, passion fruit.
Oh yeah, passion fruit and meringue. Or no,
Lychee or something?
I don't remember the names, but I know one was passion fruit. So we're gonna try this yellow one and some orange sauce. Oh my goodness, that's so good. It tastes like sherbet ice cream. This is good. You should definitely get this.
Sherbet ice cream. It's sorbet. Sherbet, sorbet, and ice cream are all three different things.
Tastes like sherbet. Next we're gonna try this pink thingy.
Paint thingy.
With the orange sauce.
Golly. Come on.
It's so good.
Is out of control,
That's
people.
10 out of 10. You should definitely get this. It's really, 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 really good.
How's your chocolate thing?
So good. It's a sherbet marshmallow.
My favorite thing,
I'm just kidding.
Oh, you're talking about that? Oh. Is that as dense like I told you, the ganache? Yeah.
my favorite thing is the orange sauce.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Tiffins is really fancy.
Yes, and you can
It's
try
probably the
mine.
most fancy restaurant I've eaten
Try
at.
it with the orange sauce.
It is pretty actually good compared to what I thought it would be. When I came here, my expectation was I was gonna give it like a final like 5 out of 10.
That's good.
But I'm gonna give it a final 7 out of 10. I like it. It's pretty good, and you should eat here. I think fanciness is an acquired thing, and I haven't acquired it as much yet.
Okay.
Oh, so good.